Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl EISHATAYLORE. So we're going to be doing a review on the Modelones gel polish. Y'all should know by now, if you're not familiar, that I definitely love Modelones polishes. Thank you Modelones for sending this over to me. I will put the name of this collection on the screen, but this is definitely holiday colors. Perfect for, I would say, like New Year's, Christmas, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. There's a green in there. I mean, you could carry this on for a couple different holidays for sure. They come in 8 colors and I swatched them already, and they're all glitters. Per usual with the packaging, it looks like this. It comes in 7 ml, so it's a good amount of polish, and you can see the color through the bottle. And they're all glitters, so this is what they look like. And this is the color that we're going to be using today, actually. And they all kind of look like a jelly type of polish. This blue one is 0782. This is what it looks like. Definitely very jelly, but super pretty. I wanted to use this one so bad, 0060. Do you see what this looks like right now? And this is what it looks like swatched. Now, honestly, all of these colors are very rich and pigmented. I only needed to swatch once. I think the only one that I had to swatch maybe twice was, I think it was this one or this one. Either way, for the most part, they were amazing. Whatever color you like, it's pretty much in here. Okay, so I originally was going to leave this out of the video. However, I used the poly gel to create an extended nail bed, just an easier cheating way of doing it. And on the middle finger, I also ended up doing the Femi Beauty / Lazy Girl method using the same color poly gel. But after I finished doing it, I realized that the color was off and it didn't match the vibe I was going for. So I completely didn't even have to do this. So instead, I ended up using nail polish to cover up the middle finger and the extended nail beds. So again, I could have completely took this out, but I did want to show that you can create extended nail beds using this kind of cheating way of applying the poly gel, which I think was actually pretty cool. I just wish that it was the right color that I was going for. But needless to say, I kept in my mistakes because we're all not perfect here in this world. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to cover the extended nail bed and the Femi Beauty method nails that I did with the poly gel. So I grabbed my Modelones lipstick series gel. I do have a video using this, and I will leave it in the cards and also in the description bar, but this is the color number 12, and I just thought that the color of it just matched the vibe I was going for a lot better. So I am just covering up the extended nail bed and kind of faking till I make it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Join the reindeer games. Dasher, dancer, prancer, vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. Now grabbing that beautiful blue color from this collection that we're featuring in this video, I am covering both the thumb and the pinky finger completely, and then you're gonna see me grab another blue, which is from the Thermal collection. This blue actually changes colors. I don't think you could tell on camera, but I ended up doing that just halfway, so from the cuticle until halfway up the nail, just to give it kind of an ombre illusion, I guess. And so I'm using that original blue gel polish to outline my extended nail beds. I have been really loving that idea lately. So I'm just using my striper brush. I'll leave everything that I'm using in this video down in the description bar per usual for you to check out. Now comes the fun part. So I grabbed my saran wrap and I'm gonna be making it very small. I should have made it actually a lot smaller. And I'm using my builder gel in a bottle to apply underneath the nail. I'm going for that cracked ice look. And when I've done this before, I did it over the nail, so doing it under was a lot different for me. And I do have some mistakes here, so I will just point them out to you. So for one, I should have probably used a hard gel, something thicker than a builder gel. And I also, like I said, I should have made the saran wrap a little bit smaller and smushed it in a lot more. Just because, I don't know, it didn't look enough like cracked ice to me. But after smushing it in, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then remove the plastic wrap. And I mean, it came out okay, but it could have came out a lot better. So that's just my tip. If you do choose to do this, use hard gel as opposed to a base coat or a builder gel, and use smaller pieces of saran wrap. I think it will apply a lot better. And I think also what ruined the design was I didn't file underneath it, just because it's hard to file underneath your nails. So I did put base coat over it and it kind of blurred it out. But I think all in all, this set came out really good, which you'll see at the end. Now I am using a couple of like iridescent flakes that I got from Shein and Amazon. I'll leave them down below just to give the cracked ice some dimension. So I thought that was just a cute little touch. Again, I will leave these down in the description bar, but I did pick up some stickers from Shein, and these were like, I think $1 or $2. And also these huge snowflake crystals that I got from Shein. And these stickers glow in the dark, which I'll show in the end. Y'all, they're so beautiful. I love it.
Join the reindeer games. Dasher, dancer, prince, or vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. The day before Christmas, Santa chose you.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I actually really enjoyed it, despite the fact that these nails are super long and I ended up cutting them down. But for the fact of the video, they came out really good. Definitely wintry, very icy vibes. This is what my other hand looks like. I never do the other hand on camera, but needless to say, I love it. As for this polish kit, I definitely enjoyed it. The gel polish was on point, very creamy, very buttery, just like any other polish from Modelones. And this is me showing you the lipstick series that I was talking about. I will leave that video down below for you to check out. These colors are bomb as well. And then this is the thermal collection that I used in this video as well. So all in all, I mean, like I said, these colors are perfect for any occasion. They only require one coat as well. When I did the blue nails, I only needed one coat. So I definitely appreciate that. Pigmentation is always there with them. And I want to show y'all how bright these stickers from Shein glow in the dark. It's very bright, and I really enjoyed that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will certainly catch you in the next one. Thank you again to Modelones. Bye, guys.